Hi, welcome back. In this clip, I'm going to show you how to use React, Axios, from Data Web API in our front end, and we are going to use PHP Curl in our back end to insert data into database. In the last two video tutorials, I show you how to use React, Axios in our front end and a PHP built-in function, file get content. I also use React from Data Web API. I think that was in part 4. I use a React from Data Web API and $_post PHP global variable to insert data into database. And now in this clip, we want to use React Axios from Data Web API in our front end and use a PHP call in our backend. So let us start. So as you can see here, let me start by clicking on run using our replit. As you can see, our UI is ready, and then we are still going to make use of our form data web API and then our Axios to connect our front end with our back end. So the first thing I need to do here is to create a new file called, let's call it React PHP or insertion .php. So let's create the file. Then let me look for the file React. Okay, this is the file. So I've been able to open the file now. So let me be that will be okay. Copying in the possible HTML tags and exit. Then our URL. Let's have this over here. A string. Then our last insertion file. Let's see. I think that was React insertion something. Okay. Let's have this file open down. Right. So I'm going to comment this one out. Comment this one out also. Okay, let me comment everything here. All right, so let's leave it as it is now. So this is our last code. So let me grab the name of this file without the extension and paste it here. All right, so the next thing now is to initialize our call section. So how do we do that? First thing, let's declare a variable call, have a call underscore initialize our section. And the next thing we need to do now is to grab URL and pass it to the variable. So we do this by having call underscore set option, have a $call, comma, call option underscore URL, URL. So we've grabbed our URL and pass it to the variable. Then again, we have hub underscore get hub. Now we have a dollar call. True. We want to return page contents. Okay. Say call underscore set dollar call 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 option return transfer transfer true. Now the next thing we need to do now is to work on our payload. We have a, let's say, email underscore post, then username of username password. So let's have a username and then name. We have a first name, last name, last name. Alright. So then we have call underscore set option call call option underscore post fits fits. Then sorry, username username and array username email email. So let's have our call send. Let's have a press the result call put dollar and then we have a dollar. Oh, sorry, we have to close the session and we are called let's call close. We have dollar. Let's terminate it. So let's save it and go back to our insertion react PHP file and see everything. Okay, let's try and run. May send something to the database and see if we are going to get something back. All right, let's copy the URL here and open another tag and use this. All right, so let's try to enter some data. I have a EE. This is a for random password. Yeah, all right. Okay, yeah, everything is working as expected, as you can see. So I think we didn't use the this URL we just created. Let me quickly correct that. we're using the previous file that we used the URL. So let me go back to our front end. Let's have this. Right. Let me reload the browser and then let me have this. Click here. Right. Let me check the database. Okay, 44. We have a okay, this was the last data that we entered. Let's see what is happening here now. Let's include the password since we have a password. Let's include that first. The password, password. Then no worry, we have a password. We have password. Let's put result. That result. Let me click this again. Alright. Since we are having here I'm putting I made mistake in the URL. Let me refresh that and let's put this and then random password. Enter. Please enter first name. Please enter first name. Okay. Oh, okay. First name. Let me remove this part first. Let me comment it out. So I'm sending it as name, as a first name. Let me inspect first. Alright, let me click again. Nothing is returned. Maybe because we are using a call. Okay, no problem. Let's check our database. Alright, so we successfully inserted. Let's try to enter another data again. Let me use this 20 50. Then we have this random password. Let me click again. Okay, account successfully created. Okay, let me have this. Okay, okay, I think that one is successfully inserted. I think here, okay, we need to console.log log response data. Right, and let me see two here, and click again. Let me remove this. The email. Let me refresh. Alright, let me click on this again. We have this to it's random. Wow, nothing is showing here. Anyway, no problem. So at least we've been able to achieve our purpose. So that's it. So that's how we can use a FormData Axios React in our front end and use PHP Curl to do insertion into our database. So in the next tutorial, so we are going to make use of this same curl in our React and Paystack video tutorial where I show you how you can use the package created by Paystack that you can actually use with your React project. So we are going to make use of PHP core in case security is very, very important to your project. How you can use PHP core and React to embed Paystack into your project. So that will be what we are going to cover in our next tutorial. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video or clip. Thanks.